Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making this sweet and savory Asian pork chop served over rice with a side of stir-fry vegetables. For this recipe, we will need 4 boneless pork chops, 1 tablespoon of fried garlic. You can substitute fresh garlic, sauteed or garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 can of pineapple chunks or crushed pineapple if you prefer. Optionally, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. In a cast iron skillet, heat a small amount of oil. Quickly brown both sides of your pork chops. Do not cook until done, just sear each side. Once chops are browned, add remaining ingredients and bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until pork chops reach 160 degrees or more. Serve over rice with a side of stir-fry vegetables. There you have it. Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.